Greetings all you maniacs out there, my name is Manic, and welcome to Will You Press the Button, as you can see right in front of you. I'm gonna get into this. I know there's not a lot to it. I don't really feel like... I was like, should I record another Happy Wheels? Nah, I'll record Will You Press the Button? Not Would You Rather, Jesus. I might record Eevee tomorrow. Fucking skank. But let's get right into this. Sorry about the audio hiss. I can't do anything. Invent any high-tech you want and own it. Awesome. But someone else takes credit. So, I will not. Because I want to be, the guy that made it. That was good. That was good. You have the ability to see the future at will, but you lose 2 of your 5 senses. But I love my senses. I love to be able to hear, see, taste, touch, and smell. I love them. I guess I could... No senses is worth losing over seeing the future. I will not. That was bad. That was just... Actually, no, that was good. That was pretty good. You will be the fastest person, but you'll never be able to stop moving. So, kind of like the Flash, but unable to control it. Wait a minute, the fastest person as in the fastest person in bed? Bam! I'm kidding. Or am I? Again, I will not press the button. How many people did? 36%. Okay. That was bad. Dogs are bad, okay? And some of the ads are popping up in the field that I'm recording, because the way Kazam is, I can record as much of the screen as I want. Some ads are popping right where you can see. Others are just outside of it. Sorry, I can't control that. Your current wildest dreams come true. Ooh, being a Super Saiyan. But you never feel satisfied with your life, ever. Ugh! God, that is such a downer. It's like, yes, my wildest dream came true. I'm, whatever. But I'm not satisfied. This isn't as what I dreamed it. I wish this was like the end of the video, because I could just leave this up to you guys. This is a conversation starter. This is interesting. I will not. Yeah. That was very, very good. Your paycheck will double. You mean my dad's paycheck, because I don't have a job. The economy is very bad. But you will never be able to get a different position or job. Fast. That was a good one. Come on, crap dish internet. You become virtually indestructible, but your death is caused by a truck carrying cement falling on your head. But when, though? When? I will not. I know, it's boring. I'm not going to press the button all the time. 50-50, you see that? Well, yeah, I don't think you can, because you can't see my mouse, or did I record it? I won't know until I go back to editing. My bad. That was good. That was decent. Free Wi-Fi anywhere on a laptop that never runs out of battery. Awesome. But the only website you visit is Tumblr, and you can only type in text talk. I will not Stay away from Tumblr. That was fairly good. You find your true love. Kawaii Senpai-chan. But you would have to be completely bald for the rest of your life. No, I love my hair. That was bad. That was kind of bad. Get out of here, frickin' adverts. Spend one summer doing anything you want with no repercussions, but you will die after. Nope. 69 didn't. Childish humor. Childish humor. Thought my phone buzzed. Oh, it just did. Illuminati confirmed. J.K. Rowling will write another great book, but she will be forced with Stephanie Meyer and read all the disgusting fanfic. Who? Who are those people? I don't read very often. 2 favorite books: Speak and Winesburg, Ohio. You may eat whatever you desire and never gain weight. I don't gain weight anyway. I just have a very high metabolism. And it sucks. Because I'm hungry all the time. I burn through food really fast. Unless I have a lot of fiber, a ton of calories really quick. The more you eat, the less you weigh, resulting in slowly No. I know this might be boring because I'm saying no all the time, no all the time, no, blah, blah. But I have yet to find one that piques my interest. You will get 80% of Bill Gates' wages without having to do a thing, but you must put toothpicks underneath your toenails and slam into a brick wall one by one. Ow! Oh, anything like with the nail, like something going under your nails? Ugh, that hurts a lot. Again, I will not. That was fairly good. $100 will magically appear in your wallet or pockets every day for the rest of your life. You will never know how to drive. You will always crash if you do. I will press the button because I could just pay someone to drive me where I need to go. That was a good one. 72 people percent. Cannot do English. English is not gourd. I dishonor my family. I'm sorry, that's Cinematist Ken's line. I'm sorry. You save the world and make it a better place, but you go down in history as a bad person. Will I be remembered for doing a good good? If so, I will press the button. Yeah, 69% of people. 31% of people are just... I don't know. I don't know what to say about those 31% scrubs. You have X-ray vision, but you have to super glue your hands and fingers together. Nope. X-ray vision's not worth that. That was a bad dilemma. You will find the cure for cancer, but you will break the button. I don't care. It would be so funny if when you press the button for this dilemma, wow, 87% people press it, that it went to a false screen. It was like a 404 error. That would be funny. You get whatever you desire most once. What? You must permanently break your left leg. No, because I like my legs. You don't need legs, but I love them. That was a good one. Something beneficial happens to you, but each day for the rest of your life you have to do something unpleasant, or something unpleasant happens to you. Ooh. Oh, it depends on something. What is unpleasant? Like diarrhea? Vomiting? Something in your bodily functions? Would you get punched in the face? Would you get bitten in the nuts by a dog? Ow. That would kill you, because you would bleed out probably. I don't know biology. I will not. That was bad. Get out of here, adverts. Stop that. $100 same thing. But you have to deal with kidney stones for the rest of your life. No. Never had one, but I heard they hurt. That was bad. Una más. One more. You rapidly heal from any injury, but all injuries leave grotesque scars once healed and cannot be removed. I will press that button, because I get shot and it's just, it heals up. Wow, that was actually pretty split. That was a good one. You'll get a weekly, stupid dyslexia. Get a letter from Arnold Schwarzenegger telling how beautiful you are, but every time you open an envelope, you get a paper cut. I will not. One more. I will leave this next one to you. You can turn invisible at will, but your invisibility is unpredictable. Which means you misspelled which. Means you can stay invisible for 3 seconds or 5 years. I'm going to leave this one to you guys. Which one would you press? Will you press the button? Will you not? Let me guys know. Suggest what you want me to play in the comments. I'm sorry about the audio hiss. I can't do anything about it. This is fun. This is very interesting. Not too much to it, but I just felt like doing it. I could have recorded another Happy Wheels, but I don't know. I just want to versatilize for now. I don't want to focus on one thing. But like I said, I will get face cam as soon as I can. My room is very wet, as in you can hear echo a lot probably. I can't afford soundproofing. I'll bodger it as best I can, but fix it myself. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and as always, this is Manic signing off, and I'll see you maniacs in the next video.